What's popping, everybody? Alex here, and Halloween is around the corner. My duty here is to help you create videos for this season with better precision, with excellence. This episode is sponsored by Filmora. Well, there are a lot of procedures in the creation process, but in this episode, we are just going to focus on how to replicate some Hollywood horror scenes so that we can put the same feeling, the same emotions in our own videos. Well, a lot of these Halloween horror movies usually are heavily contrasted, which helps portraying that dark sense and makes the whole thing even scarier.
I'm so afraid.
And right here, my dear friend, I have these two video clips which unfortunately I would like to apologize for using them as examples, because a lot of times this stock footage, especially the video that I take from story blocks, are already color graded, and all the details have been used, so any further color manipulation will not be natural. But just to bring up the point, we are going to use these ones. So if we are to steal the color grading theme of these scenes right here, my dear friend, we have a couple of methods that we can use in Wondershare Filmora. Now select the video in the timeline that you'd like to do the color grading, and once you've done that, go ahead to color tab right here, and just a little scroll down here, you are going to see this option here which is called the color palette. As you can see right here, I have these two presets that are here, my palette 1 and my palette 2. These are my presets that I have created when I was testing this feature. However, if it's your first time using this feature right here, you are going to see only the add option right here. So if you select this option right here, my dear friend, your preview screen is going to look like this. As you can see here, where you have to find a reference point, actually a reference frame, okay? So for this example right here, let us assume that the video clip from which you would like to steal the color grading theme is right in the timeline, or maybe on the very first frame. Alright, so let me take down this clip right here. Okay, and now when I move around this played on the preview screen here, you are going to see that I'm going to reach on this video clip, and then I can find the frame that I think is the base to take the color theme from. Okay, now for this example right here, let's say is this very frame here. Alright, so right here you just have to go generate and then save and apply. And right here on your palette presets list, you are going to see one more added. Okay. And now the important thing that you can do here, the very first one is to increase or reduce the strength of this preset here by using this option here, increase or reduce. As you can see from the previous screen, is showing up how the palette preset is affecting the final scene. Okay. And the other option again is the protect skin tones. This is going to protect the skin tones if your grading is really harsh against your skin tones. Now the other thing you have to know right here, my dear friend, is that when you are making up a preset, like, let me repeat the process one more time to show you this one thing. Okay, now besides using the reference in the timeline, you can actually import a local file using this option right here, and here you can either import a video clip or even just an image. Okay, and once you import it, the process is just the same. And of course, after that, my dear friend, you can actually do some adjustments of your own to make it the very look that you want. Like for this example right here, on the color tab, you can make some adjustments. Under the light, some adjustments as well, and then you can move on to curves, make some adjustments over here, and then after that you can even make some few adjustments on the color wheels. And now, having all that done, Filmora have got some extras for you to make your Halloween video look so perfect. So these are the effects for this specific season, the Halloween season. Alright, so when you move on to the effects tab over here, under the video effects, you are going to find this tab right here, which is the Halloween. Alright, and over here there are a whole lot of effects that you can actually add to make your video an actual Halloween video. As if it's not enough, Filmora goes on to give you some very horrific music that will actually make the whole project come to life. Under the music tab, you can just search right here something like this, and in just a few minutes, my dear friend, you have the thing that you really want for the season.